Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we are going to be building the Santa Fe Super Chief. Now this is set number 10020. It's a pretty large manual. It's quite an extensive build, and then you have some stuff at the end as well. So guys, let's get right into it. Alright everybody, this was a very long build, but guys, it was totally worth it. Lovely train, and I think one of the reasons it took so long was because it's made out of a lot of plates, which is very interesting. It's got a decent interior there. But yeah, I am really surprised here with the set. You do actually get two pretty good minifigures here. So you get these two. But guys, I do want to thank you for watching, and have a great and fantastic rest of your day.